Guys, finally we are opening the last chapter. Our goal is closer than ever before. At this point, we are polishing any tiny details left to fix on our two letterings. I would like to add some outer glow to the upper part of this sentence. In order to make it, we should activate Outer Glow Layer style. It's hidden in this button in the Layer window. Once Outer Glow window pops up, choose bluish transparent color and define its extension and opacity. No more changes will be needed in this case. Afterwards, we can jump to the lower part. I think it would be better to disrupt with eraser the red feeling of hate below each horizontal line crossing the vertical one. We follow the general lightning direction as in the upper part, and we can even refine red splash effect of the letters. This shadow below each stem works as in the case of Stranger Things lettering. That's to say, it's a dual shadow imitating the one provided by the strong light. Just in this case, some stems, such as the horizontal from A, is overlapped by the right stem, and at the same time it overlaps the left one. Once again, it helps to indicate chaos and looseness. You can use the same tip as previously and erase shadow spots in the layer mask instead of the actual layer. The same happens to those parts of word hate where we would like to apply spray texture. As the idea is to simulate a wand, splash effect on the widest part of each letter stems is to be achieved on the one hand by using spray brush on this extreme in the lettering layer, and on the other by using the same brush as eraser in the layers mask. To put this particular lettering in context, we can add photographic background. I have used this wonderful starry sky image from the link below. For our purpose, first of all, let's put this photo in black and white, as we don't need our lettering color to compete with the background color. Then place layer with gradients over it. In order to fuse the photo with the color layer, select the last one and then switch it to its fusion mode, from normal to color. If you lower the opacity to 50%, for example, this fusion will be softer and will be better integrated within. The finishing touch is to add dark shadow behind the word hate, as it busts it and makes it more legible. Let's do it by copying a layer with the word hate and filling it with black color. Placed underneath the red layer and move some pixels on the left and down it, it will accomplish its function. Let's switch our attention to stealthy lettering. It seems to me Ninja should be less glossy, so I will reduce the brightness of the gray gloss. As ever, by using levels, be careful not to modify unneeded gray tones. Now, let's do our bat makeover. To be better integrated, we'll apply similar gradient as the one for the background, but this time by putting it on reverse, with pink color over the nails part of the bat. We will also need a shadow below this phrase, but by using another method. A new layer will not be needed, as we'll use the layer style. Click it and select Option Drop Shadow. Here you can modify also the angle and the darkness of the shadow. Fair enough. The very last thing to do is to add another cool effect to our background by using a photo.
We'll use Picture of Dark Forest for Stranger Things, which we'll place inside the canvas.
It will go underneath background gradients. We should desaturate and adjust its levels till it has sort of a watermark appearance.
That's all, guys. I hope you really like this new course. If you actually did, feel free to put some thumbs up. Thanks a lot for your attention. See you in the next Totpot course.